Welcome to Pocket Winner, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we are celebrating Georgia Jim. Congratulations, mate. 1,000 subscribers. That is an awesome milestone to reach. That means 1,000 people have checked out your content and said, this bloke does good stuff. Excellent picker, awesome teacher, educator, can explain things really well. It's just putting out a new series for beginners. If you're a beginner, go check out that new series. What Georgia Jim would like us to do for his giveaway is to pick a lock, any lock. Hashtag it Jim1K to find all the entrants in this giveaway. So I'm going to go for a Dimple lock. Something a little bit different. It's locked up that side. It's locked up that side. Okay. So we go that way. We go that way. Okay, picking left-handed. Alright. We'll turn it up this way. I'm picking right-handed. Okay, that's better. So Georgia Jim is a black belt in the LPU belt ranking system in lockpicking. He's a 15th Dan, which means he has picked a lot of high security locks and is now sharing his knowledge on how he's learnt picking, what he's learnt from it, passing that information on to others and teaching all the newcomers how to pick a lock. So if you're new to the sport, check out my beginners playlist. Top of the list will be Georgia Jim stuff. Any new lock sporters who do videos for that playlist, I add them as they get released. Oh, I just cracked everything up. I've lost a frog. Someone's already passed out waiting for the open. I bet he's bored. She's just licking herself to death now. Oh my. Losing my audience. Oh, I think I've got movement. Ah, yes. That is a nice open. Got the cam moving there. Nice open. Haha. Congratulations, Georgia Jim. Check out their content. Link in the description below. Hashtag Jim1K for all the entrants in this series. Wake up, frogs. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.